In the last video, we have seen the derivation of section formula. Section formula help us to find out the coordinates which divides internally a line segment in the given ratio, say m1 is to m2. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on section formula. So the first question is, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So let the point A be -1, 7 and the point B be 4, -3. So the P is lying somewhere here. We need to find the coordinates of P, x and y we need to find out, and they have given that it is dividing in the ratio 2:3. So this will be x1, y1, this will be x2, y2, m1 is 2, m2 is 3. So we will write all these values. X1 is -1, y1 is 7, x2 is 4, y2 is -3, and again m1 is 2 and m2 is 3. Now we will write the section formula. Pxy is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. We'll substitute the values to get the coordinate of x and y. So m1 is 2 into 4 plus m2 is 3 into -1 divided by 2 plus 3. Again m1 2 and y2 is -3 plus 3 into y1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So which is, now we need to simplify this. This is equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 5 and -6 plus 21 divided by 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 divided by 5 and 21 minus 6 is 15. 15 by 5. So we have the coordinates 1 and 3. X is 1 and y is 3. So the coordinate 1, 3 divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. So next question, find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. So let AB be our line segment. Coordinates of A be 4, -1 and B be -2, -3. Now we need to find coordinates of points of trisection. So let the points P and Q trisect this line segment. Trisect means divide into 3 equal parts. So the coordinate P and Q. So we got 3 parts now, 1, 2, 3, AP, PQ and QP. We need to find out coordinates of P as well as coordinate of Q. We can say that since this line segment is divided into 3 equal parts, AP, the P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. 1:2, and Q divides AB in the line segment in the ratio 2:1. That means 2 AQ is 2 and QB is 1. Same way P divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2. Now first let us find out the coordinates of P. So coordinates of P is given by the section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and same way m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So in this case, x1 is 4, y1 is minus 1, x2 is minus 2, y2 is minus 3. Again m1 and m2 is 1 and 2. Now we will substitute and find out the coordinates of P, that is x and y. So m1 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. Same way y coordinate will be 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3 and minus 3 plus minus 2 divided by 3. So which is equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2 and minus 5 by 3. So coordinate of P is 2 and minus 5 by 3. Now we will find out coordinates of Q. The same way, so in this case m1 and m2 value we need to change. m1 will be 2 and m2 will be 1. So m2 will be 1 and x1, y1, x2, y2 remains the same. So here we will write 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 divide by 1 plus 2. Again 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. So which is equal to minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3 and minus 6 plus minus 1 divided by 3. So it is equal to 0 and minus 7 divided by 3. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So we got the coordinates of P as well as coordinates of Q, and trisect means, bisect means divide into 2 equal parts. Trisect means divide into 3 equal parts. So when you consider the coordinate of P, it is dividing the line segment in the ratio 1:2. In the same way, Q is dividing internally the line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. And write the section formula, substitute the value. The next question, find the ratio in which line segment joining the points A, B, line segment joining the points. So let AB be the line segment. Coordinate of A is minus 310 and coordinates of B is 6 minus 8, and coordinates of P also they have given. P divides the line segment minus 1, 6. We need to find the ratio. Last time they have given the ratio 1:2. We need to find the coordinates of P. This time they have given the coordinates of P. We need to find out the ratio. So we will take the ratio as k:1. You can take the ratio as k:1. Now we will write the section formula. Pxy equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. As usual, we will write x1, y1, x2, y2 and m1 and m2. So x1, y1 is minus 3 and 10, x2, y2 is 6 and minus 8, and here m1 and m2 we have as k and 1. Now we will substitute. X is minus 1. So I am going to take separate and then I am going to substitute. So m1 is k into 6 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by k plus 1 equal to minus 1. Coordinate of x is minus 1. Same way I can write k into minus 8 plus 1 into 10 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 6. So here 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1 equal to minus 1. So we can simplify this and find out the value of k. So 6k minus 3 equal to minus k plus 1. 6k minus 3 equal to minus k minus 1. 6k plus k equal to 3 minus 1. 6k plus k is 7k. So 7k is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So k is equal to 2 by 7. So we can say that our required ratio is 2:7. Required ratio is 2:7. If you do this part, any one coordinate you can equate and do. If you get the y coordinate also, you will get the same answer. 8k plus 10 equal to 6 into k plus 1, cross multiply. 8k plus 10 equal to 6k plus 6, minus 8k minus 6k equal to 6 minus 10, minus 14k equal to minus 4. So k equal to minus 4 divided by minus 14. So in this case also you will get the same answer. So the ratio is k 2:7. So find the ratio joining 1 minus 5 and minus 4 5 divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinate of point of division. So let AB be the line segment. Coordinates of A is 1 minus 5. Coordinates of B is minus 4 5. First we need to find the coordinate. They have given the ratio. In the second problem, ratio is not given but coordinate is given. In this problem, ratio or nor the coordinate, they have not given neither the ratio nor the coordinate. So how will you find? But this p, x, y, this coordinate also they have not given, the ratio also not given, but they have given this line segment is divided by x-axis, and we know that any point on the x-axis will be of the form x0. So I can write p, this coordinate of p as x0, and ratio we don't know, so I am going to take as k:1. So we'll write now the section formula. Xy is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So here x1 is 1, y1 is minus 5, x2 is minus 4, y2 is 5, m1 is k, m2 is 1. Now I want to find out the value of ratio first. So I am going to equate the y coordinate to 0 because we have our y coordinate as 0. So I am going to equate the y coordinate to 0. So I will write m1 is k. So k into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 divided by k plus 1 equal to 0. So we have 5k minus 5 equal to 0 into k plus 1 is 0. So 5k equal to 5 and k equal to 1. So I got the value of k. So the ratio is 1:1. Ratio is 1:1. Now I need to find out the coordinate of value of x. Y coordinate is anyway 0. So value of x, we need to find out coordinates of point of division. So x alone I need to find because y coordinate is 0 since the point lies on x axis. So I can write m1. Now I got the value of k as 1. So 1 into minus 4 plus 1 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So it is minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 3 by 2. So my coordinates are minus 3 by 2 and 0, and it is divided in the ratio 1:1. So thank you for watching my video.